All right. This is Dr. Faber Sunano, Africa's premier cryptocurrency consultant and top leader, Platinum World Africa. I'm so excited sharing this information with you. It is a very powerful information that can radically stabilize you economically. Now, we've done the part one of understanding Ultima Cashback system. We've done the part two, and I believe you have watched them. If you haven't, please go back to the part one and the part two so that you can appreciate this part three video. In this part three, I'm going to show you how to fund your ultimate debit card using our cashback system. Now, let me once again, as a recap. Now, earlier on in the first part, I purchased a shopping point worth 1,000 euro, and I was given 1,200 points. And afterwards, I used it to purchase what? A voucher, Binance voucher. And I've already redeemed this voucher already. I showed you how I redeemed it in the last video on Binance, and I was paid 55 USDT. And I'm going to be getting that every month for the next 12 months. I got 55 USDT instantly. I redeemed the voucher there. And I not only that, it's already in my bank. I already sold it on peer-to-peer platform on Binance, and they've credited me already 41,900 as at that day's rate. Okay, it can be higher, it can be lower, depending on the day's rate in the exchange rate of dollar to naira and also your local currency. Okay, I mean, that's just incredible. Now, in this video, I'm going to purchase the Ultima members voucher. This Ultima members voucher is for those who have the debit card. Whether you have the previous PLC card or this new blue Ultima card, you can use the same thing. Now, it's still going to give me, I'm targeting to buy 660. Okay, that's the price of this one. Okay, I think okay, now let me look for a smaller one because this is a bit higher than the balance that we have. This 660 euros to pay. Now, I'll look for a smaller one. There's a smaller one for yeah, I think there's, let me see. You see, there's Amazon. So I can get the voucher here and go to Amazon and make what? Transactions. Okay. So there's no 330. I will do the 264. I'll do what? The 264. I can do two of it. Okay. And do what? Two of it. But let me just do the 264 for the purpose of sharing this information with you. Now this, I'm going to be getting 22 euros credited into my what? Debit card. I'm going to show you all that. So what do? I click one. How many quantity do I want? I want one. I click what? Buy now. Then I go to the shopping limit, shopping points. You see my shopping point there? I select shopping point. I'm paying with shopping points. Remember, I still have 600 words shopping points. Now I click what? Place order. Now I have a balance of 600 shopping points, but this particular transaction, I'm going to use 264. So I click, yeah, I want that. I click, yeah, I want that. Congratulations. Congratulations, payment was successful. So this point is actually money. This point is actually what? Money. I click continue to shopping. Then I click go to the profile. I click my accounts. Okay. So this one is pending. Now, the reason I did the Binance because it's always very fast. But for Ultimate Debit Card, the voucher goes through a period of time. So it's not instant. Okay. But I'm going to show you how it works. Even though now you click on this, we need to now wait. It's showing pending. We'll now wait is what is true. This place needs to be like this one. It needs to show reorder. When it's now showing reorder, that means When it's showing reorder, that means it's ready for you to get your coupon. So you wait. Sometimes it can take a while, all right? But I'm going to show you how to fund your account. Don't let that. I want to show you how to fund your account right away. We don't need to wait for the order to complete, to be completed, okay? So now, if you have if you have the Ultima store, you can also, if you have the coupon, just like this, what you do is to copy the coupon, okay? Then you go towards Ultima members site, your Ultima member site, to redeem it. Okay, so after purchasing the Ultima members voucher, which allows you to get 12 coupons that you can redeem each month on the Ultima members.com. So you can redeem, you can go to ultimamembers.com and log in. This is our digital bank, so to speak. So our digital what? Bank. So you log in with your information, and that is where you can move the money that you are getting from the voucher straight into your debit card and use it in anywhere, in any locations around the world, including your local currency, your local country. Okay, so let's go and see how it works. So now when you log into your Ultima members dashboard, this is what you are going to see. Then you click on account. When you want to redeem, you click what? Account. Then you click on euro. Then you click what? Redeem voucher. Now, the voucher is not ready. The one I'm doing is not ready, but when it's ready, it's going to be like one of this one I've redeemed before. You click this, for example. If these ones already expired, I've used them already. But for the purpose of the video, just to show you how it works, I'll click confirm. But you see this is expired. If it's not expired, if it's the fresh one I just got, it will tell you congratulations. The one I paid for now is 55 what? Euros. 22 euros, sorry. It's 22 euros. So you see 22 euros would have joined the balance right here on this account. Now, let's assume that I have that 22 euros there. What do? I go to cards. I go to what? Cards. Then I click on the card. It can be the previous PSC card or the new one, doesn't matter. Then you click what? Load. Now I select what? Euro. That's where the money is. Now I have 7 euro there. Okay, you need a maximum of 10 euro. Now let me go and see what can be done. All right, so now I have the 28 euros right here in my account there. So I've already redeemed 22 euros from the Ultima store. Now I want to load it into the card. I click on what? Cards. Now, if you go to the card, you click on what? The card that you want to redeem into. All right, you click on this, then you click load. Select the currency, euro. Then type 22 euros, for example. Now you click what? Confirm. Then use your Google Authenticator and click what? Confirm. So the money have been transferred. Now I have a new balance of what? 122 euros in my debit card. Now, if you open this and you don't have a debit card, you could as well go to accounts and transfer to your local bank. You can click on euro here and click on payments. Under payment, you can make a payment to a member who have an account on Ultima member here, and it's free. There's no charges anywhere the person is around the world. It doesn't matter. Then you click on make payments. That's you pay somebody, whether an individual or a company, anywhere around the world, as long as you have their bank details. Anywhere around the world, you can choose the country and put your bank information, everything, your bank details, click everything and click on what? Pay. The money will be transferred. It's a wire transfer to that person. You can wire money from here to anywhere you are in the world. So guys, This is really, really remarkable. If you are just joining, please make sure you subscribe. Go and watch the first part 1 or part 2, and part 2 before jumping to this part 3. And in the part 4, which is the final part of this understanding Ultima Cashback system, is how you can market this Ultima Cashback and make $1 million and more in the next 12 months. If you're interested, stick around. The time is now. My name is Sunano, Africa's premier cryptocurrency consultant and top leader, PLC Ultima in Africa. Stick around.